Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about major and minor triads, and I will explain you how to build those. The triads belong into the group of chords. To build chords, you usually layer thirds. Now you will remember that we have a major third and a minor third. In order to build triads, you build two thirds on top of each other. So you can combine a major third with a minor third with a major third, a major with a major third, and a minor with a minor third. This will give you 4 different triads. Today we talk about the major and the minor triad. In order to build a C major triad, we need to build a major third on the root note. In order to build a major triad, we need to build a major third on the root note, and on top of the major third, we need to build a minor third. So a major third up from C would be an E. A minor third on top of E would be a G. Remember that the distance in a major third is 4 semitone steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in a minor third 3 semitone steps, 1, 2, 3. So a minor third on top of E will be a G. Major third and minor third will give the sound of a major triad. The outer interval, which means the lowest note and the highest note, is a perfect fifth. From C to G we find a perfect fifth. Now let's follow this recipe and build a major triad on D. We need a major third on top of that D, 4 semitone steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the F sharp. And now we need a minor third on top of that F sharp, 1, 2, 3, and we find an A. So this chord is a D major chord. Now you already see that if a chord starts with a note that is on the line, the other notes will be on the line as well. And the same for the notes that start in a space. The other notes will be in spaces too. Let's build an E flat major chord. So the E flat is a note that is notated on the line. The other 2 notes of the triad will be on a line too. All you need to do now is to check the desired intervals. First, we need a major third on top of E flat. 4 semitone steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And indeed, it's the G. Now we need a minor third on top of G. 1, 2, 3. And we see the tone material we got is a B. Therefore, we need to flatten the B to a B flat. Because some of you might think, why is it not an A sharp? Well, it's very simple, because between a G and an A sharp we don't find a minor third. It is an augmented second. And if you use the method of line, 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 you can't go wrong. You will just have to tweak the note material that this method gives you. You can tweak it with sharps or flats if necessary. Now let's try F sharp major. We need a major third up from F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4 semitone steps. That's this key. What is given is this key, so we need to raise it. We need to sharpen the A. Now from A sharp we need a minor third, 3 semitone steps. 1, 2, 3. The note given is this, the C, so we need to sharpen the C to a C sharp. And there we go, we build F sharp major. To build a minor triad, we just need to reverse the recipe. You build a minor triad if you build a minor third on the root and then a major third on top of it. So let's try that with C, and then I check on the C I need a minor third. A minor third up from C is an E flat. 1, 2, 3. Note material given is the E, so I need to flatten the E. Then on that E flat I need a major third. 4 semitone steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So G is the desired note to form a C minor triad. And we see the outer interval is still a perfect fifth. Let's build D minor. D, F, A is given. We need a minor third on top of D. 1, 2, 3 from D to F is a minor third. And we need a major third on top of that. From F to A we find a major third. So this is already our D minor chord. Minor third plus major third. Let's make it slightly more tricky. F sharp minor. F sharp is notated in a space, so the following notes need to be in spaces too. And I need a minor third from F sharp. The minor third from F sharp is A. 1, 2, 3 semitone steps. And on top of A I need a major third. 4 semitone steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. A C sharp. So this chord is an F sharp minor chord. Let's do the enharmonic equivalent to F sharp minor, which is G flat minor. F sharp and G flat are enharmonic, at least on a piano. So the following notes need to be on the line as well. And I need a minor third. So here's my G flat, here is my B, but I only need a minor third, which is this note. 1, 2, 3. Now how can I tweak this note to sound like this note? I need to flatten it once and I need to flatten it twice. So G flat minor uses a B double flat. On that B double flat I need a major third. So 4 semitone steps up, we find this note. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is given, the D is given, but we need this note. So I need to flatten the D to become a D flat. So this chord is G flat minor. So to sum it up, if you want to build any major triad on any root note, form a major third first, and then put a minor third on top. You could also just build the outer interval of a perfect fifth on top of the root. It would bring you the same result. If you want to build a minor triad, build a minor third on the root note and a major third on top of the minor third, or a perfect fifth on top of the root note, and that will give you the same result. And that's it for today.